Let's work on figuring out place value with other bases. We'll start with base 2. And if we start with our ones place, every base has a ones place. That's just a single unit. Where they differ is the size of the groups. We're in base 2. So that means to come to the next place over, if I have 2 of these, then I have the next place. So here I have 1, 2 of these. Looking at the dimensions, this is a 2 unit by 1 unit picture. 2 by 1. Then I come to the next place. So how do I get to the next place? Well, as soon as I have 2 of these, I'm at the next place. So this will be 1, 2 of those. What are the dimensions? 2 by 2. Then I can say, well, as soon as I have 2 of these, I come to the next place. So now I want to keep 2's in there as much as I can. So even though 2 of these would look like this, I don't want to have a 4 by 2 label. So I'm going to think about stacking them up. I'm going to keep my 2 by 2, my 2 by 2, but now I'm going to stack these 2 on top of each other. And so I'm going to draw that like this. And, you know, we can get fancy and put in all of the cubes that would be there, but my units are 2 by 2, and then it's 2 units deep. So this would be a 2 by 2 by 2. Let's do this with another base. Let's look at base 5. All right, so we're going to start with our ones place, our units. That's always going to be a single square. And then because we're in base 5, when I have not 2 of these, now when I have 5 of these, I'm going to go to the next place over. So what does that look like? That looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5 by 1. The next place over, well, as soon as I have 5 of these, so what's that look like? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one set of 5 by 1, but I needed 5 of these. And what does that leave me with? A 5 by 5. Okay, so now let's go 5 of these. Well, I'm going to take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to stack 5 of them on top of each other. So I'm going to draw this as a 3-dimensional, and I'll have 5 by 5 by 5. So this place, whoops, I run out of space here, is a 5 by 5 by 5. We usually stop drawing them after that point. We would have a 5 to the 4th power, 5 to the 5th power, but with these first 4 places, they're pretty straightforward to represent.